Hi, welcome to Enermax channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce the latest fan technologies from Enermax, the patented DFR technology, which means dust-free rotation fan, and the DFR switch. We know a standard power supply fan inhales cool airs to cool down the internal components. However, at the same time, it will cause dust accumulation at intake fan grill and fan blades. This will certainly affect the cooling performance, and the Enermax dust-free rotation can help to improve this situation. DFR technology makes the power supply fan spin in reverse automatically for 10 seconds to perform a self-cleaning action after system turn on. In this way, the dust is blown away. You can see a clear comparison between a power supply that comes with or without Enermax dust-free rotation technology. On the left, there is a clear advantage of having dust-free rotation fan in order to prolong your system's life. And now we bring this dust-free rotation technology to a new level. You can activate DFR at any time in operation by simply pressing the DFR switch. With the DFR and DFR switch, there will be several conditions of the dust-free rotation. First, when a system boots up, the fan will automatically enter the dust-free rotation spins for 10 seconds. Second, when a system is running and the power supply fan is spinning, press the DFR switch and the fan will start dust-free rotation for 10 seconds, then resume to the normal spin. Third, in some product series, there is fanless mode under low to medium loads. Press the DFR switch during the fanless mode and the fan will start entering dust-free rotation spin. Besides, through the DFR, you can easily check if your power supply fan is in good working condition or not.